only chance to turn around. I stopped. And I'm going again. Look out! All right, now you're going the other way.
That's perfect. The construction site is this way.
Thank you, magic flying traffic lights.
Hey, kids.
Have you seen Ricky?
I'm almost there.
What was that?
This is fun. Almost there. Way! Yay!
Oops, sorry. Huh?
43, 44. I could have been a circus clown. But no, had to be a police officer. What's that? Impossible. This is Officer Bunker reporting a code. A code? There is no code for this. It's still awesome.
When the law needs help, just watch the steel.
You're in trouble.
Oh no! I need to go back! Oh, here he comes! Now, how does steel land? The comics never show how he lands. That's cheating! Ricky, look out! Oh no!
Caution, tree.
Hold on, Ricky!
Pizza delivery, not for real, for practice.
Pizza, you say?
Loop?
Loop? Who is Loop? My name is Mr. Hungry. Where is the cheese pizza that I ordered for my hungriness?
Which one is it?
Now my pizza is late. I don't want cold pizza.
Mr. Hungry is Mr. Grumpy.
Here, watch me. Here you go, Mr. Hungry. Just what you ordered.
I'll take it, I guess.
Sorry, Blip. I'm just pretending that Mr. Hungry is grumpy. Probably because his moustache is kind of itchy. It's okay, Blip. That was just the first one. Come on, there are more.
they come.
If you're going to break your dad's record, you've got to be ready for anything.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh, excuse me. I'm just helping my tiny baby trike across the road.
Baby want ice cream!
I can't do it. They're in my way.
Here, watch. Like this. Got it?
No, not even a little.
You'll get better at it.
No wonder he fell in. It's all oily here. Whoa!
Here she goes again.
Can I do something? I can help.
Ricky, can you wait over there with your friends? We've got this under control.
Staying out of the way. Some movie star I am.
Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks, Hank. Thanks, Helen. Even faster than last time. Oh, that'll probably be Blip. That boy's a chip off the old motorbike.
I hope this helped your movie. See you at home, kids.
OK then, back to my deliveries.
Watch out! There's a pothole! Mum! Dad!
They're gone. You can do it, Ricky.
Me?
You are a...
Rescue bike. Of course I am. I have to help if I can. Ricky to the rescue! Grappling hook. Go!
Oh!
Hang on. I'll get you out of there.
Don't film me. Film Ricky.
Okay, I'm getting it. Thanks, Toot. Oh, this is good stuff. He really is pretty awesome.
There we go. Again. Thanks, Ricky.
Anytime I'm having my picture taken, I somehow get dirty.
Also when you're not having your picture taken.
All the time.
You're dirty right now, and you haven't even been awake very long. You're right. There were no good pictures of me. Well, then let's take one. One that shows your true loopness. I don't know what loopness is, but I bet I have a lot of it. Come on, let's get you clean. We've got a picture to take.
Ready to get all clean?
Yeah. I'm a brand new bike. Look. Whoa! Don't breathe on me. It'll fog up my new shine. Now, where should we go? A picture of Luke needs an epic background.
Windshield pint is pretty epic.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, windshield point. I can stay clean that far.
Oh, isn't it strange how I always have to change the bike wash brushes after Loop goes through? They just get so dirty.
Those are bike wash brushes. Are they all bristly? Can I see?
Wait, Loop, no!
Let me see. Let me see.
Maybe I don't need to change them.
I got dirty again, didn't I?